Ever felt that knot of anxiety when sending crypto? You're not alone. Navigating the world of digital assets can feel a bit like sending a message in a bottle across a vast ocean. You want to make sure it arrives safely, securely, and in the right hands. That's where hardware wallets come in, acting as your personal, fortified island for your precious crypto. And today, we're diving deep into one of the top contenders in the hardware wallet arena, ELLIPAL. ELLIPAL devices are designed with security as their absolute priority. Think of them as mini vaults for your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a whole host of other cryptocurrencies. They employ air-gap technology, meaning they remain completely isolated from the internet, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and any USB connections during transaction signing. This significantly reduces the risk of online attacks and unauthorized access. But security doesn't mean complexity. ELLIPAL has also focused on creating a user-friendly experience, making it accessible even if you're relatively new to the crypto space. One of the fundamental tasks you'll need to master is sending cryptocurrency, and that's exactly what we're going to break down for you today. Before we jump into the step-by-step process, make sure you have a few things ready. First, your initialized and set up ELLIPAL hardware wallet. Second, the ELLIPAL app installed on your smartphone and paired with your device. And third, the recipient's correct cryptocurrency address. Double and triple check this address, it's crucial. Sending crypto to the wrong address can unfortunately result in permanent loss of funds. Alright, let's get started. The first step is to open your ELLIPAL app on your smartphone. Navigate to your wallet for the specific cryptocurrency you want to send. For example, if you're sending Bitcoin, open your Bitcoin wallet within the app. Once you're in the correct wallet, you'll typically see options like Receive, Send, and Transaction History. Tap on the Send button. Now, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's cryptocurrency address. This is where that carefully copied address comes into play. Paste it directly into the designated field within the app. Avoid manually typing it to minimize the risk of errors. Next, you'll need to specify the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to send. Enter the exact amount you want to transfer. Be mindful of any network fees associated with the transaction. The ELLIPAL app will usually display an estimated fee, allowing you to make an informed decision. Some blockchains might offer different fee options, allowing you to prioritize transaction speed. After entering the address and the amount, carefully review all the details displayed on the app. Double-check the recipient's address and the amount one last time. This is your final opportunity to catch any potential mistakes. If everything looks correct, the app will prompt you to initiate the signing process on your ELLIPAL hardware wallet. This is where the air-gap security comes into play. Your private keys, which authorize the transaction, never leave the secure environment of your ELLIPAL device. Follow the instructions displayed on the ELLIPAL app. This will typically involve using the device's navigation buttons to review the transaction details on its screen. Carefully verify the recipient's address and the amount displayed on your ELLIPAL device. Ensure it matches what you see on the app. Once you've confirmed all the details on your ELLIPAL hardware wallet, you'll be prompted to sign the transaction. This usually involves pressing a confirmation button on the device. After the transaction is signed on your ELLIPAL, the app will display a confirmation message indicating that the transaction has been broadcast to the blockchain network. Congratulations! You've successfully sent cryptocurrency using your ELLIPAL hardware wallet. You can usually track the progress of your transaction on the Blockchain Explorer using the Transaction ID, TXID, provided by the app. Sending crypto with your ELLIPAL might seem like a few steps, but each step is designed to ensure the security and accuracy of your transactions. By understanding this process, you can confidently navigate the world of digital assets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.